Okay. Um, this is crazy. I can't believe this is happening here. Um, I'm not surprised. It's just perfect. So, once again, I know a lot of people don't believe in ghosts, they don't believe in supernatural stuff. I totally get it. But, oh my god. Like, it literally just follows me. Oh, sorry, that's just my cup. It follows me everywhere. The last, I would say, week, um, every night at like, this sounds fake, but literally at 3:16 a.m. and I haven't screenshotted it or like whatever, but I am officially saying 3:16 is the time. At 3:16 a.m. every night, the same noise comes from inside that bathroom. And I haven't been able to figure out what it is. It literally sounds like a drawer opening and closing in the bathroom. I've checked, there's no loose anything, nothing moves. Like, it's very crazy, and it's always at 3:16 a.m. So tomorrow night I'm going to actually, like, literally look at the clock, film it, and try to get footage of it. Because it's crazy, and I keep forgetting to do that, I think because I just am so used to ghosts. But now it's, like, getting to a point where I'm like, okay, what do I do? Like, and the other scary thing is that room in particular has a attic door thing, so I don't, and I'm too afraid to go look up in there, and so I don't know, maybe there's somebody in there. I don't really know, but it's literally every night. So, it's happening. I don't know if it's like coming from inside. It's not coming from inside these drawers. It's coming from like, I can't even explain it. Oh, it's definitely. You heard that right? Hello? Hello? Oh my god. I don't know. It's weird. I don't, if it was an animal or something, like that's fine, but why always 3:16 a.m.? Like, what the actual fuck? Just an update. I woke up and there's a dead bird at my front door. Is there a demon in my house?